After I catch her foot, she went over my foot in the sandwich. She went over my foot, I catch her. Now what I will do, we can see it like this. I am asking her to drag my foot. And I can let that happen. Or I start asking to drag my foot, but I move it. So she will do here a forward step. Either way. If she drags my foot, then she will have to go over. And we can make this slowly. Or I remove the foot and then she steps forward in front of me. But do that. After this, leaders, lead her to drag your foot and remove it. Tricky.
Right.
But that will be the way we synchronize it, like this. If not, it's okay, I remove the foot and then the follower gets notified. Oh, I had to go. It looks much more synthetic if I ask her to go and I remove the foot. And so the follower does a forward step in that moment.
So you can do it either way, right? You can invite her to drag your foot, or you can just remove it, correct?
Exactly, but invite her to drag the foot and remove it. Yeah, you have to invite. So then the option is you invite her to drag your foot either way, but the option is or you allow her to drag your foot up to that point where she sandwiches you, or you ask her to drag your foot but you remove it. So that intention that she gets from dragging your foot continues in a forward step. It's not a problem for the follower. It's a nice surprise. Nice surprise. It's not like you make your partner stumble. You know, at contrary, she feels her way is clear to go.
Marcelo, could we have Miranda just show what she would do when dragging your foot?
Yeah.
How it would look with her?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's do that.
Now that I have a foot here on this side, I would just have my weight on the other leg and drag it. If I have the foot on this side, it would be the same thing. But what you want to think about is just to keep the contact with that foot and your foot the whole time. And you will have to transfer your weight to the other foot so that leg will be free. So imagine if I'm going here and this foot gets caught, my weight needs to come to this foot for this one to drag. I can't drag it when the weight is in it.